Hey Dana, and welcome to my blog. This is a continuation of the Sharper Image Active Fit wireless earbuds, and finished charging them, and they'll go red and then it'll go blue when they're done charging. So now I'm going to mate it up with my phone. So let's see what we got. I gotta take my hotspot off because everything's Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go settings, connections. Oh, wait a minute, Bluetooth. Here's Bluetooth. Bluetooth doesn't require Wi-Fi. Okay. I don't need Wi-Fi. No hotspots, so get back in hotspot because I have all my everything in the house runs off of the phone's hotspot, so we don't have Frontier and we don't have the other one. So let's see, that's your little plug for that. Alright, there's your button. Push your button. Now you got a red light. Now it's going blue. Now it's going to be searching for lit green, blood green. Connections, Bluetooth. Let's see. Looking for the device. Let's see what it's going to show up. Really? Come on. No. Back on search. Praying for Bluetooth devices. Still got red and still blinking. Green, red and green, red and green. One Bluetooth device has been found. Let's see what it shows up as. Okay, your phone Samsung is currently visible to nearby. Okay, this is SBT 250 or 528. So I just click that on pairing. Connecting. Connected for call and media audio. Okay. So now once it does that, what kid's that in the thing? Media. It now goes straight blue, and I think it'll blink. So let's see. I'm running to. I use Pandora, and they're constantly wanting me to purchase their premium for $4.99 a month, which means you can. Okay, good. They're both working. Let's see which is right and left. Tell me which one's right and left. Oh yeah, okay. Right on the outside right here, tell you right and left. So let's see. Your phone should automatically hold the volume down. Let's see the best way to go with this. Behind my neck. If I get them pushed in far enough, I'm going to find the little Got these. See which one's got the volume. Okay, good. It's going to be your right little button here is going to control your volume. It's kind of loud. Okay. Oh, they need the bigger ones or the smaller ones? Okay. The medium ones are on here now. Get behind it. Could be a little difficult. Oh. Well, that's going to be a pain in the butt. Doing it without pressing on the button here. Whoa! A little difficult getting that on there. Haha. Should have left that alone. Wow. I just took off of it. Let's try to put the small one back on. There's got to be a secret to that. Yeah, it worked. Twist it. I got no volume now. Yeah. Okay, and I just powered off, and I had a voice telling me it was powering off. So, huh. Now if I push the button, then I won't have that problem. But still, wow. No, I just stuck it to the outside of it. What is the secret behind that? I'm trying to get the small one. It isn't working so well. Crazy thing, you can see it's got a lip, pretty wide lip. And then here, it's got that. I'm going to run that over the top of that. There's an idea. Turn it inside out. See if you can turn it inside out. Then go over the top of it. That worked on that. Do I need the big one? What's wrong? And the question is, do I need the big one or do I need the little one? On top of your ear first and stick it in there. Yeah, I think I need the bigger one. That feels better. Yeah. I need a larger. I need a larger one. The other one. Popping it off's no problem. Like I said, roll it inside out. I'll try to anyway. Pull it out. This one's got no buttons to worry about. Just push it on. Yep. Okay. Roll over here. I get used to that. Right now. Roll in the ear and roll them over here. Then roll it back. But my ears are big enough. Huh. I don't know. Then I put my ear attenuators over the top of it. And then we're good to get. Then we're good to go. Oh, it might help to turn them on, huh? Okay, powering on.
Hear that? Get a taste of the Atlantic with Lay's Chesapeake Bay Crab Spice. Try all the flavors. Inspired.
Kicked right in. All right. Hey, Lay's Chesapeake potato chips. They're good. Want to try a new potato chip? Yeah, Lay's crab. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And we'll see how long these last. I don't know. I may not have big enough ears. I think my ears are big enough. There we go. Alright, anyway. Here's a technique to try and get them locked into your ear canal. Watch it. And we'll catch you on the next. I just bought it.